Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is 6:29 a.m. on a Sunday morning. I have to be to work today at 8 o'clock, so I decided to do a Walmart Spark delivery before I have to be to work. So come along with me as I go do this Spark. I'll be back when I get one. All right, guys, I just picked one up for $13.27. It is a 3-drop off. So come along with me. Pulling up to the Walmart, and we're gonna get spot number 1.
Take the next.
All right, guys, we got the goods. The first delivery is going to an apartment, which is 7 minutes away. Let's go drop it off.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place.
Guys, the next delivery is going to another apartment, which is 3 minutes away, and it's in the same complex. So let's go deliver it. I'm glad this lady was on the first floor with this water, but the next one I believe is on the 3rd floor, and I hope she don't have a whole lot of items, but we'll see when we get there.
Where we can be free, there is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. And shadows and gloom are all that you see. We'll find a place where we can be free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun shining in the darkest valley.
Guys, I am tired. I'm glad both of them was out, in the same complex. So now we're dropping off the last one to a house which is 14 minutes away. We're going up on this 3rd floor. Whew. I think every apartment building that has over 2 floors, come on GPS, that has over 2 floors needs an elevator, especially when you bringing up items. And it's never fails. Most of the time, them people on the 3rd floor, they have the biggest orders. They know they would not do it, so why would you expect somebody else to do all that? And then on top of it, they don't give a tip. I mean,
next left to stay on Piccadilly Loop, then turn left onto Constitution Drive.
like I was saying before in another video, when I lived on the 2nd floor, I did a little bit of groceries at a time because I knew I wanted to be considerate of people who was bringing that stuff upstairs. And I only lived on the 2nd floor. But anyway, let's go drop this off.
Seems impossible.
been dropped off, and now I'm on my way to work. So let me put the GPS on so I can figure out my way out here. All right, guys. I don't know if you noticed the last house that you probably did, delivered to. Well, it was a big puddle of water in front of her door, which that's why you saw me delivering them groceries like I did, because I was trying to avoid it, but I couldn't, because the last time I went up there to put the last batch of groceries on the porch, the water, the jug of water,
turn right.
I was saying the jug of water fell in the puddle of water. So for me to get it out, I had to put my feet in the water, kind of in the water, because I was too far back to get the jug out. And so that's why you saw me delivering that groceries like I did. But I want to say, guys, I thank you for always popping in, watching my video, supporting my videos. If you like the video, please thumbs up the videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.